Good afternoon, everyone. Hopefully you can hear me. I'm trying this new system out that I've never used before. If you can hear me, type something in the your live Zoom chats or your live social medias if you can hear me. I don't know if this mic's working on here or not. This way it should be, but never used this before. Kind of doing it the hard way, under fire. Had an issue with my other system. Anyway, glad y'all could be here today. Welcome to another edition of American Dream Trading's live futures education and training broadcast. This is an outreach of American Dream Trading. Glad you could be here. American Dream Trading is owned by, managed by, ran by, incorporated into a legal corporation by Chad Christian, who we affectionately call Coach. Again, this is the first time I've using this system. This is what Dawn uses for her aftermarket show. And I had a little issue. We had to circumnavigate. I wanted to try using this anyway because it is kind of cool. I can put it on one system and I can use it on my system without having to worry about using a Windows machine. But we're going to see here. This will be first time. Great. Papa says he can hear us on TikTok, and Rex and Cherub said good. You can hear me loud and clear. That's good. All right. All right, we're going to do another test. I'm going to ask my live Zoom members to open up their mics. There's a button I got to press to be able to get their voice into the chat, and I'm not sure I know how to do that. I've seen a screenshot of it once, but I got to bring that up because I got to see what that looked like, where that was even at. So bear with me as I try to figure some of these things that I've never done before here. I need to go here, scroll up. Where's that at there? There we go. So that is under sharing, I guess. All right. Well, let me see here. Let me try. Go ahead. Somebody open their mic on the live Zoom and talk. See if they can hear you. Starting right now.
I can hear you.
No, I need to see if they can hear you. Talk. So count to 10. Whatever.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube hear them counting to 10? Let me know. I'm going to suspect that you probably didn't. Did you hear the Zoom member counting clearly? Let me know feedback in your social media chats, please. Let's see what this does. If I click this, add a new, what? Add a new share window. Let me see here what options this brings up here for me. I don't want to share that window. I don't want to share that window. That isn't what I was hoping it would show me. So that's not obviously the way to do that. All right, we won't worry about it. All right, anybody here? Did anybody hear him counting to 10? Let me know. Cherub, did you hear him counting to 10 over there? Oh, just barely heard me fine. Okay, he was hearing it through my microphone. All right, there's a simple setting on here. I just got to figure out where it's at to get to it. I see a picture where it's supposed to be at, or what it looks like if I can find it. But I am thinking that I had to do that at the beginning. So anyway, Bruno or Don's listening. Help me, help me. All right, let's see what else we got here. What's this button do? What's that button do? Media, let's see, video, image, screen share, video, student presentation. That's just a different thingamajigs. Yeah, I kind of sort of know this a little bit, just enough to be dangerous, but not enough to. So bear with me here for a minute. By the way, my name's Mark McSee, as you can tell by the name under my face down there. One of the moderators here at American Dream Trading. Let's see. There's this. If I change that audio, that's going to screw that up. I can't do that. It's not under that. All right. It's got to be under the share screen. I just got to pick the right option. Add a new window. What is that under? It's tab. let's do this. Let's click this. I'm not going to be sharing it. I'm adding. Yes, it did. All right. See what happens there. Mic check, mic check. I don't know. Let me see here. Let me see the options here. What does that tell me? Options there. Share names, but nothing there for audio. All right, well, I'll worry about that some other time. I thought I might be able to find it live, but I didn't. So unless Bruno pops on or something, this is where it's going to be for right now. Anyhow, I tried. All right. I was having an internet issue earlier today for some reason, so hopefully that doesn't happen again. So let me see Bruno. Come on, restream live. And add Zoom user audio. He knows how to do that. We'll see if I don't know, he might be busy in the other room. If he sees my message, he might come over here and join us, and he can come in here and do the clicky click things. You know what I mean? You know what I'm catching? You catch my drift? All right. One more chance. Talk. Somebody open your mic and talk. Say hello, talk, count to 10, whatever. Starting right now.
Rohan, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10.
Thank you. Thank you. How did you hear them? Did you hear somebody say hello, Mark, and then count to 10? Was their thing loud and clear? How did you hear them? Did you hear? Hello? Feedback. Thank you. Thank you.
Obviously, we heard
How
so
did you
did it, right?
Well, whatever. All right. We're not going to worry about it. If Bruno happens to see my message and comes over, he'll help us out. So, all right. So we'll be all right. We'll be all right. If you have a question, I'll just repeat it out loud to them. All right. Mute your mic for right now. Anyway, let's take a quick walk around the block here. See how this system works out here for me today, other than the Zoom user thingamajig. Well, whatever. All right. We're not going to worry about it. Bruno, why am I getting somebody's feedback through my system? Callie? I got it. All right. Thank you for monitoring the feed, but it was coming through your speaker there, dear. All right. So there I is. All right. ES. Look at the indices. We had an account changing today. It was an exciting day starting it's 6:30 this morning. Well, I actually did pretty good before 8:30 this morning, and did very well on the metals this morning, bigly. Had a very good morning. And then the economic news came out at 8:30, and the indices shot to the moon on the jobs data. Okay. What didn't go to the moon, which went the exact opposite way, was the metals. Now, why do you think? It's the question for the peanut gallery, not the paid members. All right. Yeah, that's why I figured you heard him, Pappy, from that. Bruno sees the message comes on. He may be coming here and show me real quick. I had a screenshot, but I don't know how to get to where he showed me. Anyway, at 8:30 a.m. this morning, we had the economic news release. Look at this glorious pull here. Look at that. Look at the amount of money it was made. If he was happened to be in that, which none of us were at the time, but we caught it on the way down, 600 tick plus drop on that economic news. So why did gold go down? Here's your question for those of you on the social media. All right. First one to type in the right answer is the winner. Why did the indices like ES and NQ and all them and the Dow, why did they shoot up on the good job numbers and gold plummeted at the same time? Why would you think that is? If you've listened, you might know the answer. First one to answer that is the winner. Let me see you type it in there, TikTok or YouTube's. Why did gold plummet on increased jobs data, and the indices went the opposite way? They went straight up, at least for a while, initially. Why is that? Anybody got any ideas? There you go. Fast snake. Less fear and greed, right? Well, the economy sounding better. Well, there's no reason to be fearful and put our money into precious metals, right? They view gold as safe, a safe haven when things are uncertain, right? Exactly right. Good job there on that. So, fast snake one, got the answer first, right? And it is, an inflationary thing also over there. So you're partially right. Also, CGRO over there, CGRO. Yeah. So that's what happened. Then, of course, the market opened. They liked it for about 2 minutes, and then it just took off, went straight down. We love these things. Went straight down. It was an easy money making day there. They had many, 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 many members have account changing days today, changed their lives. We had one member tell us that they paid for 4 months rent just on these down trades today. 4 months rent. Can you imagine paying 4 months of house payments at one time ahead with your earnings in a matter of, I don't know, what was that? Hour and a half, 2 hours, if that long? Amazing, isn't it? What you can do. But we were prepared for that economic news. All our paid members are aware when these things are going to happen, what they are, and they will go from there. So, all right. Let me see here. Oh, Coach finally got back to me. All right. I'm using. All right. All right. Works good. All right. So anyway, I just sent Coach a message. He replied back. I didn't see it. Anyway. Okie dokie. Where's that here? Wrong thing. And hang on one moment, please. All right. Oh, by the way, YouTube, you guys got kicked off the feed yesterday. That's the first I think that YouTube's ever got actually kicked off. It's usually TikTok it gets kicked. Anyway, we had about half an hour left, and I look up and YouTube's gone. So it wasn't nothing personal. Some reason it got disconnected. That's why I always say have a backup account. You should have a TikTok account. The TikTokers should have a YouTube account. Everybody should have the YouTube account. Go there and click subscribe and get that today. That way you have it. That way if one goes down, you can go to the other one. It's very rare that happens, especially with YouTube. TikTok, yeah, it happens from time to time. Anyway, ES had a really nice turn down after a nice rise up. Just beautiful. Lots of money to be made there. I mean, that's huge. What was that drop? I forget now. I measured it once earlier. 200, we'll just call it 260. 260 tick drop times 1250 a tick. That's a 3,250 per contract drop right there, a profit that you could have made had you been there. And we were there. NQ did the same thing, essentially, right? It's a little bit more volatile, but you can pretty much lay these over on top of each other as far as their movement went today. They had their moments where they were independent of each other, but generally, they just do their own thing. Oh, got some breaking news here. Let me see this real quick. Budget customs duty tariff reflecting tariff income $30 billion, up 275% income. We've yielded $124 billion on tariff incomes this year. Yeah, them tariffs won't work. Those are bad. Tariffs are bad. Well, there's $124 billion that our country's generated just trying to make other people pay their fair share. But we won't go down that rabbit hole. Even though I could, I won't. Not a place for political debate. We won't do that. We're here to talk about making money. What? Who? Where? Where?
Who's on first?
Who? Yes, who's on first? Yeah, what's on second? I don't know. What base is he on? I don't know. Anyway, there's gold. Anyway, I still love my metals. I love trading. Hello. What? Did she go off her meds again?
You said, I don't know. I said third base. That's who's on third base.
Oh, third base. Yeah.
Yeah, just saying, you know.
Okay. All right. Who's on first?
He didn't get the guy.
Yeah, I did. Abbott Costello.
Having Costello.
Uh-huh. I don't know why, but Costello's my favorite of the two. I don't know why. I just kind of, maybe because I'm shaped like him. I don't know. All right. So anyway, the metals did the opposite of the indices. Had a very nice run. I had a very nice EWO play. There's a couple I started trading at 252 this morning was my first trade on silver. Guess I can erase that line. And I did an actual EWO, and I caught a 400 tick gain on my EWO play on silver. Got in there at about 4:15 and ran that bad boy clear up to almost 7:05, a little after 7. It was almost 3 hours of sitting there. It was wonderful. It was beautiful. Easy money. Click the button once. Click the button out of here to get out and take my profit. Actually, I didn't click the button. My stop stopped me out. So I didn't even have to. I only had to click once because I already had a stop. And my stop pulled back. I had tightened up my stop on purpose here because if it broke out, fine. And if it didn't break out at this level, then, I wanted to make sure that I was there to get that. And I took a 400 tick profit. So that was very sweet. And what else? So after that, it's just been kind of, it's had some movements here and there. Indices were the real play today for us. And we had a lot of people change their live accounts. Like I say, the one person said they made 4 months worth of rent today. So that's how you have to think about this sometimes. What is your earnings? What does that really mean? Because you don't know, really, right? You have an account with a broker. You trade through that account. Well, you deposit money digitally most of the time, right? Yes, you can write a check. But most of the time, you're going to somebody's hang on here. Yeah. Hang on. All right. So I'm communicating. Hello. Oh, there he is. I just sent you a message. I just told hopefully Bruno come to rescue. Yeah. What do I got to do to let you in here? Anything? Huh? What do I got to do?
Wait, I think I just heard myself.
You heard yourself. I don't know how. Are you listening to the feed live? You got an open mic?
No, I'm hearing it from your speakers. So what you got to do is when you hit the restream, share the desktop like you got.
Yeah.
At the bottom.
Yeah.
Little computer.
Yeah.
There'll be a little toggle switch when you share your. Are you sharing your trading view or are you sharing the Zoom?
I am sharing the trading view on my screen. Yes.
So, but when you wait, hold on. You have it shared on the Zoom call? You do have it shared. Yeah. So instead of sharing your trading view, share the actual Zoom call.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. Hang on. I'll leave this one open. Share screen. Let me see here what that brings up option wise. I got to find that window now. Hang on here. I tell you what. Here, let me cancel that. So because I don't keep that workspace one open. Hang on.
Yeah, it's a little tricky when you do it through. It gives you like browser, gives you applications.
Yeah. Okay. Let me get the right screen up here, wherever it's at.
You could do entire screen, or you could do window. And if you select window from the list, it should give you like the Zoom off of that list.
All right. Right now, I'm trying to find where that screen is hit on one of my other screens. It's 5 screens. It's probably behind something here. Let me see. Where's it at? Nope, ain't there. Where's it at? It's in here somewhere. Where are you? All right, move that out of the way. All right, hang on.
Were you able to get the code or no?
Actually, Coach, after we got going, I guess he sent it. But I said, I'm already on this one. I'm going to stay here. I've been wanting to try this out anyway, but.
Yeah, well, this way you can also have people, you can invite people and they can come on the panel with you.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying. Where in the heck is that window at? Hi, Ralph used to be on. Ralph used to go on the on all the time.
Make an appearance.
He used to be on the aftermarket all the time. I can't find my window. Where is it?
This one's a little challenging because you're sharing it, right?
Well, I ain't yet. I'm trying to find where my Zoom.
And you're sharing it on the Zoom, right?
Yeah, but I got to find the window here.
Yeah, if you go over to
I'm on my desktop. I'm trying to find it. Workspace.
Pull up your Zoom call.
Yeah.
For like right now, I have 3 open. I have my desktop for the Zoom. I have your screen share, and then I have the meeting, which gives me the chat and all the stuff. It's a little bit differently when you're sharing the screen.
But I don't.
So you just gotta find if you have a dedicated monitor.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I do have all this stuff, all my mod stuff on one.
I mean, but regardless, you should still be able to hear if you click the share audio, but you have to share the screen, right? And then you have to. There's a button at the bottom that says also share tab audio. My
problem is I can't even find my screen, my little Zoom workspace thing that says I am sharing here. Sorry, folks, for the unprofessional thing here, but we're trying to fix this so that I will know forever and ever more. Let me quit. Hang on. I'm going to get rid of this. Unshare the Zoom. Okay, so hang on. Don't freak out.
Yeah.
All right, so Zoom meeting. That's not that one. How about that one? What is it? Zoom meeting.
Please stand by for the next service representative.
Yes, we'll be with you your call shortly. Your call is important to us.
Important to us. Please pause.
Yes.
I'll be right with you.
I don't understand what's the big malfunction here, Mark. You know, when somebody shares a screen, even when I share my screen, it shows up on there, right? So.
Yeah, like right now, I have you. Once you share it, like I know where the screen's gonna pop up on one of my screens. So like right now, I see your face right in the middle, and then as soon as you share your screen, I will have it up on that one monitor, so I know it's gonna pop up over there.
Right.
That's the confusing thing with Zoom is you got like three panels, and then you gotta get the right panel.
I mean, I do this every day. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I can't find my.
Yeah, you just shared it and it just popped up. So that's the screen I would be sharing on Restream would be that screen.
Yeah, that's what I am sharing. That's what you see.
You might be on the one. You might be on the correct one that you have because I see it.
But it doesn't give me that tab option that you took a screenshot and showed me the other day.
Yeah, so go click this on Restream. Click that share window at the bottom, the computer with the little little arrow.
Yeah.
What does it say on the screen?
Like, well, right now it says add new or stop sharing all screens.
Yeah, add new.
Okay. Share window or I want to share screen, right? Entire screen.
Where does it say on there? Does it say if you do entire screen, it will be just like what you're doing right now.
Right.
If you hit entire screen.
Yeah.
And does it give you an also share tab audio? Or
share audio? No, it just says share window or share screen. So if I share a window, I can go over here and touch anything, and that's what it will share. So the problem is I don't have, I cannot see, I don't have the Zoom one that shows my screen. You know what I mean? All I see is you. I don't see.
But you're doing it through Trinity, right? You're sharing it on Zoom.
Yes.
And then you have what you're looking at on TradingView right now. That's what you're sharing. That's what you're broadcasting out.
Mm-hmm.
So if you hit if you share this window.
Sure.
That looks like it's gonna take just the application. It's not gonna pick.
Well, that's because I only said window instead of the whole screen that time.
Yeah, if you do a whole screen, does it give you an option to share the audio as well?
It didn't when I started because that's what I was looking for, right?
Yeah.
So if I do the whole screen, yes, it'll do the whole screen. I just move my mouse on whatever monitor I want, and it'll highlight it.
See if there's the share or share audio as well.
Share all windows. What does that do? Presenter overlay. Yeah, I mean, I can share. If I click share the entire screen, okay,
Yeah.
it does not pop up anything under that there's no pop-up or anything as far as that goes. Now, do I have to maybe click on the customize or else?
Let me fire up Restream because I'm doing it off of memory.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I see what you want me to click on because you posted it the other day. So
You're under Dawn. Yeah, you're under Dawn stuff.
yeah, I tried getting in under my own thing. It wouldn't let me do it. Screen share, local video, image, video, presentation, screen share, show what's on a tab, show in real time. Yeah, okay, same thing I just looked at, share screen. But it does not, I don't know if it's, well, no, because she runs hers on a Mac. So
She does.
yeah. So,
yeah, Mark, it gives me the option.
Well,
So-
you're not sharing your screen. I'm sharing mine, though. So how does it?
No, I know, but I'm also on Windows. But it should be the same thing. If you hit the computer with the little arrow, the up arrow,
Yeah.
you go to entire screen.
Yeah.
You
Okay.
select whatever screen you want. I have 4.
Wait a
I'm going to
minute.
select
I
one.
got to close this first here.
And then what I'll do is I'll toggle on also share system audio.
Yeah. See, I don't get that. It doesn't pop that up for me for some reason. Maybe-
When that box pops up. But you're using Restream through the browser, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't understand why it's not. Here's
I'm
record.
sending this to you now. See
Yeah.
see what mine says.
Hang on here. I closed that already. I got to open it up. Hang on. Yeah, see, I don't see. Maybe I could let me just close this original window out. But no, this is the same. All right, guys, your screen's gonna go blank. Don't freak out. Wait a minute.
Now, I'm wondering
Hang on.
if do you have OBS opened up?
No.
Okay, because I thought I saw something with
Do I have to?
OBS. No, I'm thinking if I.
I mean, even if I do this plus thing, it does local. I'm gonna quit screen sharing altogether here.
It looks like you got like some kind of that thing. Okay. There you go.
So now all you see is my camera view, right?
Now start over. Yep.
Right here, right there.
You don't have anything that would be taking your audio away, like an OBS with
Nope.
microphone.
Nope. Nothing. It's all closed.
I saw something. Okay.
Did you see something?
I saw something open that was, as I was talking, the bars were going up and down, like kind of like the OBS thing. Let's see.
What? When I click this, share?
Yeah, you're going to click share.
Yeah.
And then you're going to select the entire screen.
Yeah. See, all it does is turn everything blue to the screen that I want. It does not give me that option for audio. Share. It doesn't bring up that share this. Choose what to share with Studio Restream.
Yeah, but the box pops up, right?
No. Well, no. That's all I get. It's just like hover over what screen I want to show. All 5 of them. I got 5, so I can move my mouse to one of these 5 screens, and it highlights it in blue, but it doesn't bring anything else up in the process. She's got a Mac. She got a Mac Mini or whatever it's called.
Yeah. Hold on a second. Let me do. What about window? Does it do the same thing with the blue?
Yeah, but it only does whatever window.
Are you able to toggle the audio first and then go up to the blue and hit share entire screen?
No, only audio things I have is built within in the audio here, which is I can choose my audio input, audio output, and that's it.
I'm saying on Restream though, when you hit that share the screen button, does it not pop up a window in the Restream browser? Like when you're in the browser for Restream, it should open up a box.
Just says that I can add a new, stop sharing, or replace. So it just even if I do window, I can do it.
Right there. When you said you can do window, what box pops up?
Just says share this window. Just turns everything blue when I move my mouse. It doesn't.
No, I know, but does it say choose what to share with Studio Restream IO?
No, I don't get that. You could come in here and take control, can't you? Well, you can't take control of my computer, though, can you?
Well, I mean, I can share my stuff, but then I'd have to sit here with you
Yeah.
and follow you.
What's wrong with that? You too good for us or what?
No, you know how it is.
I know how it is.
Make
Yes.
sure Richard's
No.
not there, Tom's not there.
Yeah,
Make
that's
sure-
no problem. I'll just do it like this. If they got questions, I'll just repeat it. It's just as easy.
Yeah,
We'll figure it out.
You
We'll figure it out.
You can't hear them.
All right. They don't talk much anyway. What's this? Presenters overlay or show all windows? What is that? Presenters
Oh,
overlay.
you know what you could probably do? Hold on a second.
I don't know what that is.
Hold on. Let me see if I can do this. And then I'll just listen into the other call. But then we got to figure this out.
Yeah, I want to be able to use it, rest of the time. I mean, I can still do what I need to do here, but how many people do we chase away while they try to watch us solve our,
Hold on. We got demo audio. Hold on. Stop.
Houston, we have a problem.
Yes, we do.
Hold on. Take test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, well. Well.
That's yours.
I can do this at 4 o'clock in the morning too, as far as that goes. Right. But oh, are you on here or what? Oh,
Say something.
hello. Are you in?
Echo?
Are you in here playing around?
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, how come you don't have your own name?
Because I felt like I wanted to be you for a little bit.
Oh, everybody does. Oh, that's so
All right,
sweet.
no echo over there, guys and gals. You don't have to do that. Yeah, you don't have to do that. There you go. All right, I'll just leave my system up. There you go.
So why can you do it and I can't? I don't understand it.
I don't know. I guess I'm on a Windows and you're on a Mac, but she's been doing it this whole time.
Yeah, she's on.
She shares the Zoom call with the audio, and I just
Yeah.
talk into the mic to the Zoom users, and it picks up the audio.
I wonder if there's I might have a security issue that in the Mac here. Let me look at my security system settings here real
That or
quick.
Colin's better at.
Well, she probably is because she can't see, and I can hear myself through your feed, by the way. Just so you know.
Yeah, you can hear me. Yeah.
Yes, it's
But I won't be talking though, so as long as you can hear the Zoom users.
Hello, Zoom user. But I hear myself.
Maybe the audio is turned on. I have it muted.
I can hear you.
Oh, there's echo. What am I looking for? Oh, where's the security? Let me see here. If there's a restriction on restream here, maybe. Microphone. Discord. Zoom. It's turned on for Zoom.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't even show. It doesn't even show. Yeah, it doesn't even show it. Let's see, what else can we have? Remote. That's turned on. Bear with us, folks. There's not individual apps that I can open here. Let's look at sound. See what this shows. Anything. A Zoom audio device, but that doesn't do anything. I went through all those starting up. Whatever. There's one little thing. I'm sure it's all one little button somewhere. I can't go up here and just change my general sounds. It's on Zoom audio device.
Market's pulling back hard as hell. Wow.
Oh, we like that kind of stuff. We make all kinds of money doing that.
Apple just dropped like $4 in like 30 seconds.
Yes, did too. Anyway, I'm hearing myself twice there, Bruno.
Yeah, I mean, because how we did it was you would share the audio just for us on Restream, and but you're hearing yourself twice. Let me mute myself on Zoom and see if that.
Hello? Still hear me? Still hear me? Still hear me?
Hello, Tommy, can you hear me?
Hello. Here in my tin can.
Don't unmute me. Don't unmute me on Restream.
No, I was just seeing what it did, what options there were.
Hold on.
All right.
Now let me see. No, that's
Look at that retrace. Holy crap.
Oh yeah, 50%. There we go. Check, 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 mic check. I can still hear myself through my speakers. Didn't have that issue till you showed up. Come on. All right, see you. Bye. Thanks for playing. All right, we'll figure it out. We'll do it at 4 a.m. or something when I wake up. We got to worry about what we're saying here. There we go. Now I got to share screen, and I want to share the whole screen and nothing but the screen. And that would be this one here. Here we go. All right, now we should be back in business. There we go. How's that? Can you hear me now? Huh? Can you hear me?
Yeah. We can hear you.
Okay.
Can't hear everybody else. All right, bye.
Yep, they can hear me. You can hear me now on the Tiki Talks? All right.
Anybody left on ticket?
Oh, I don't know. We probably chased most of them away, sitting here watching me trying to fumble through this simple thing here. Yeah, it just didn't give me that option for some reason. I mean, I understand what it's saying. Yeah, maybe I missed something whenever we first started up. Maybe there was some little thing there. I don't know. Because I'm jumping into an existing stream thing here anyway. Here we go. So we just had a major pullback. What do we usually get on a big gamma candle? 50% retracement. Oh, look at that. There's your big gamma candle. That one did about a 60% retracement. Big money. By the way, if you guys got any questions, thank you for all still being here. Surprisingly, most of you still are here. That's all right. We'll work out the bugs. This is the first time me using this system. So what's this going on here? Is Bruno still here or what? Why am I seeing somebody still there? What is that? Who is that person? Why is there still another head up here? I don't know. Did he leave? Is he monitoring? Is he watching? I don't know. I don't know. Remove. Yeah, let's see. Remove. There he goes. He disappeared. He must have been listening to me. All right. Or it just takes time to go away. Okay. So anyway, we had a 50% retracement. Now it's consolidating. Why did it do that? Why? Was there news? Did somebody open their mouth? Nothing recent here. I don't believe there was. I know there was no other scheduled news. So why did it do that? Just because it wanted to, apparently. Because the Fed chairmen, governors aren't talking now. They talked earlier today. So I don't know. Anyway.
Well, there's a delay on that tariff news.
Could be.
That just came out.
Yeah. Well, knee-jerk reaction there anyway, right? So, all right. One thing I don't see over here is I need me some chat window. I can't see. I mean, I am monitoring here through my own feeds, but I know there's some little things you can do here, options. Oh, by the way, a real quick reminder, we'll go through these QR codes real quick, right? You can get our premium membership for $750 for 2 years, or you can do it for 1 year for $500. It renews at $500 every year, but you can get 2 years for the price of 1.5 at $750. We have our premium yearly, of course, is at $500. There's a QR codes. You can do that, right? And you can use our prop firm. All you have to do is use code ADT as the discount code. There's a QR code for that. And the big thing is our diamond membership. One-time payment, $5,000. You can use 10% off. You can use code Maria. You can use code Mark, Doug, whatever. I would ask that you use code Maria today. Let's bless Maria if you decide to buy a diamond membership. There you go. Grab that right now. All you got to do is click that QR code, and it'll take you right to our website, which is American Dream Trading. It'll show up as WAP on there, though. That's our payment processor. Excuse me. Anywho, so there's that. You take a picture of that, or you can rewind this later. And while you're there, grab our free Discord by clicking your camera at that also. And that'll get you, okay? So each one of those, I'll leave this diamond. I'll take these off for now, and we'll go back. So I don't know what this compact one looks like. Let's see, how small is the compact or the classic? Now, that would be off to the side. Okay, I see how that works. All right, I'm a learning. Hang with me. We'll take you places. You may not want to go there, but we'll take you places. What else do we got up here? We got the old caption thing there, which I don't have that saved. The disclaimer, and then we have our little graphics down here. So that's all I need for now. Anywho, so ES has gone flat on us right now. Let's take a look at, go a quick walk around the block again, see if there's anything we want to trade. And let me take that off there while we're at it real quick. All right. So that's how that all works. Thank you very much. So we got gold. It's just flat. It's at the bottom of the channel. It has not broke through the bottom of the channel yet. It could. If it decides it wants to do that, that's what it'll do. Silver's probably doing the same thing. Yep, kind of flat. It's all trapped in there inside the different indicators, right? So we'll find whatever one of these I click on, I decide I want to trade. I'm just going to jump into trade right away, right? And just deal with it. Platinum. Platinum's got no volume anyway. Don't want to touch that one with a 10-foot pole. Neither does copper. Oil has a little bit. I don't like trading oil this time of the day, but that's a pretty nice run right there that we missed out on. ES, it's trapped. Let's see, is NQ any better? No, it's not probably. Oh, let's see here. If we can break out through there, maybe. And we'll wait on that one. We go getting crazy on that. YM is also flat. Need to see it break and hold below that level there. We'll come back here and see if we can catch a quick scalp after we get done looking at it. All right, we'll watch the Russell. I don't like this is in the bottom of the channel, but it is approaching the middle. We don't like diddling in the middle. It's trying to break and hold above VWAP. So if I want to try to trade this, there's Russell's here. Where you at, Russell? Do the Russell. Oh, why did that alphabetical order? Anyway, there it is. So now I can see what's going on here. Can I catch a bounce off the 9? Let's see. See if we can catch a little bounce here off the 9 EMA. That was a risky trade to do this. I'm going to see if it'll bounce off there. And if it don't, we'll get out of it. That's no big deal there, right? So, going to hang on here. By the way, thank you for joining us and still hanging out after all that mess I was trying to get through. I was hoping there was a 2-second answer, but we'll figure it out. I'll probably go live at 4 a.m. or something, just on a random, get in there and play if I can get somebody to come in there with me. I'll have to schedule all that, so if I get time or not. Or on the weekend when nobody's looking. There we go. Could do that too. All right, so this is going the other way. Maybe I'm going to give this one little wait here, wait to see what's going on here, if this is just a fake out or is it truly going to break and hold below this. And let's see what happens. You got a few seconds. Nope, I'm getting out of that. I should have reversed it. Is what I should have done. I should have reversed it. That's what I should have done. I didn't think fast enough. Oh, well.
Mark, do you use the reverse often?
Yes, that's what I just said. I could have done that, and I didn't. Didn't think about it fast enough. Just so used to clicking this X instead of the reverse. But I didn't even really want to end this trade anyway because it hasn't broken hell below the bottom of the regression channel. So I just did it just to do it. It's not a good trade. As you can see, I didn't get a good fill. The spreads are a little high. Well, they were. Not right at the moment. So is this going to go down? It has not broken hell below this trend here channel, which I would not enter until it does that. But I clicked in there too fast. So there's $100. I'll wait for it to reset. Now, if this breaks and holds here, that will be better for me. All right. Has this got some oomph to the downside? We'll see here. Yeah, kind of does. A little bit. Not real strong. The volume has really dropped off. There's $50. There's $100. All right, 50 bucks, $100. I'll take the $100. All right, we'll see if it gets down to the 55. So there's like whatever I made, $200, whatever it was. I don't know. Pay attention. Didn't matter. It's time for counting your money once the dealing's done. Right? We're still dealing. Comments, questions. We'll try to answer your questions as you ask them. Over there, does Tradeify offer straight to funding like Tradeivate? Tradeivate is not a prop firm. Tradeivate is a broker. Tradeify is a prop firm. Totally different things. Okay. Tradeivate does have a high end, I think it's still in effect. Check out Tradeify's Lightning. I think they have a straight to funding option in there. Of course, it's more expensive. You're paying more money up front and all that. I think it's like $500 or $600, something like that, $700. I don't know. So you got to fork out up front, but yes. And of course, if you blow that, you got to repay that again. So just because you're straight to funding doesn't mean you can't blow that account and close it on a prop firm. So you got to be careful, especially with your drawdowns and all that. I don't prop firm trade, but I do have a trade. I do have a demo Tradeify that I play around with. So yes, Tradeovate is a futures trading broker. It's not a prop firm. Check them both out. They're both good. Matter of fact, we got a QR code for that. If you want to check on this here, it'll take you right there for the prop firm right here. Click on that. When you scan that with your camera there, Jonathan, and use code ADT for, I believe it's like 30 or 40% off the fees. So you can go ahead and point your camera at that QR code that you see on your screen. Unless you're already using your cell phone, then I guess you can't do that. But you can take a screenshot and save it later, right? Or you can just go to Tradeify and go through it and type it in manually. Just use code ADT when you get there, okay? What's this do? All right, so that's how that works, okay? So the Russell came back up here. It has not broken held down below. It came back up. Fortunately, I got out of that before it did all that. So everything's just flat right now. It says Wall Street gains muted after strong Fed's data nibbles at Fed's rate cut bets. There you go. So now we got the Dow wanting to break down below to the downside a little bit. All right, Jonathan, do you want that QR code up there longer, or are you good to go? Let me know if you want to see one of them QR codes. I can pop it up there. All you can do is holler. We aim to please. All right, so these are all in a bad spot right now. I don't like any of these for entry to trade. Oh, look at gold wanting to break out on a 1 minute chart, possibly to the downside at the bottom of the trend channel. If it does, we will jump all over that. Unfortunately, it has practically no volume. There's a little bit there, so we'll see what happens. We'll hang on here, see if it wants to pull. I want to see a break and hold of this candle. And I have 19 seconds before the next candle forms, so I have a few minutes. See here, 10 seconds for the next candle. It's got to start on the shoulder of this candle to the downside if I think about entering to the downside here at all. Not looking good. Here comes 1 second, new candle forming. And it did not start on the shoulder of this previous candle. It's like in the middle of it because it was getting ready to retrace. So now I'm back in a crappy area. There's the 200, the 9, and then I have the bottom of my channel there. So that's not a good spot. This needs to either blow up through above here or down below here. Other than that, this is a waste of time trying to trade that. Just asking for trouble, right? And I made that decision in fractions of a second, right? Same way here. Boy, if this could break below there, right, get some movement. I just don't know what it wants to do right now. That's the problem, okay?
And we just entered the power hour.
And it's now power hour. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So anyhow.
That's how we roll.
That's how we roll. You picking up what I'm putting down?
Got it.
Got it. All right. All right, Mimi, thanks for sharing the live over there on TikTok. Pix Mug's already with us. All right, Leighton Trade says, nice live trading. Well, sorry, Leighton, to disappoint you today, but, you know, we're working out the bugs, and I didn't do it in the time I wanted, so I had to pull it off. We'll get it fixed. They already got it figured out on Dawn's system. She runs a Mac too. I just don't know what. There's one little thing there that I don't have the same. So to figure that, we'll be in like crazy. We'll be good to go. So, all right. But if they have a comment or question, I can just repeat it for today, and we'll go with that. All right. Silver's just sitting here. Platinum doing anything? No. Is copper doing anything? It's the same thing, sitting at the bottom. No volume. I don't want to trade metals with no volume. That's the recipe for disaster. So we don't want to do that. Oil's got a little bit of volume, but it's flat right now. I want to see it break away up or down here, and it just doesn't want to do that quite yet. You guys see something moving, holler it. I'll trade it. I don't care what it is.
Take a look at the ES. It's got a little something.
Who? Who?
ES.
Oh, yes. That's what I'm looking at right now. That's what I'm on right now. Must be where you saw it at, huh?
That's right.
Oh, there you go.
Hey, did you say you do use the reverse?
I have, yes. Do I normally? No, it's just one of the things I usually don't think of, right? I get out of the trade and usually just whatever, right?
Right, so if you're in a trade, let's say you pop to the upside and you
Yep.
see it steady back down, it hits it to zero, and you reverse it there if you think it's going the other direction.
Yep, watch, I'll show you. Right here it is. So let me get my stop loss. This is for a long, okay? I'll just move this out of the way. So here's a reverse button right here, reverse position, right? So if I make it 375, oh, I think it's going the other way now. Oh, I just hit this. Now I'm instantly in a short. It closes out those other ones and puts you into a short position. Of course, then you got to reset your stop loss, right? Protect your loss, right? But yeah, that works.
I get the reverse button. It's just I was wondering what your logic was.
Yeah, I don't normally, mainly because I don't think about using it. I'm just so used to just clicking out of here and then going up here, clicking one of these buttons instead. So yeah, that reverse button's it's actually look quicker, right?
But then you do have a double fee situation, right?
Well, yeah, you're closing one trade and opening a new one, so it's just like clicking any other buttons, right?
Gotcha.
So now I'm here and I can close using this button here. I can lock in that 750 or whatever I want there. Right now I'm at zero. I was talking about it. So what's up?
Now you can go the other way.
Yeah, you can do that all day long, right? You literally can do that. It's all right here, right? Oh, I think it's going the other way. Oh, okay. Oh, cool. Oh, nope, I was wrong. Let's go back the other way. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, it's going the other way now. This thing can't make up my mind for me. What am I doing? Right? It's too easy almost, right? So, yeah, you're generating fees every time you click that button. It's the same. And it is a market order. So if you like limit orders, this is not the button to click, right? So if you want more control over your trade. So yeah, normally I just, of course I got my stop loss, but normally I'll just click this X over here.
Yeah, I've done it for paper, but I've never done it for line.
Yeah, it works good. So this is paper you're looking at right now. So all right, well, let's get a play here. What do we want? I want to see it get above this level right there at that, what is that, 71?
We got to break hold of the 9 on the 1 minute, right?
Yeah, I want to see that. It's above the 9, sort of, but it's not. It hasn't really broke away from VWAP. 9's right there. So I'd rather see this bust up through here, that 971 level, before I enter to the upside, just because it's in a choppy area now. Look at the wicks on the thing. You just don't know what it wants to do, even though we are in power hour now. All right. So now it's going the other way. I tell you, it can't make up its mind.
Gold's dropping again.
Yeah. See, now I'm chasing 90 pennies. I don't like doing it. I need to stick with the thing. All right. Yeah, if it can break it hold below this line down here, or the red line, I will get in that one if it wants to do that. You know what I mean? You know where I'm coming from?
Take a look at that euro mark.
The euro, we can do that. I haven't looked at the euro all day. It probably misses me. It's going to follow the dollar index. Same thing here. It's got to break and hold below the regression channel line before I can do anything, before I will do anything. All right. Can set myself up here. We'll go whatever, 100, whatever. It doesn't matter. It's paper. So I have a level right there. Look at where it stopped. I haven't traded the euro for quite a while. Look at that. Just Does charting matter? Does it really, folks? Come on, look at that. All right. Again, not too late to grab that Diamond Lifetime membership. By the way, oh, you can't see it today. If you use promo code at the checkout, I don't have that one up here. Thank you. If you use my name, which is Mark, M-A-R-K, as the promo code at checkout, you'll get 10% off of that. You can get $500 knocked off instantly. As a matter of fact, don't use my name today. I want to help out one of our other members. Use the promo code Maria, M-A-R-I-A. You see it right here, right there. Use her name in there today. If you decide to buy that Diamond Lifetime membership, you get an instant $500 off. Off that 5,000. So you'll get it for $4,500 just for watching today. Right there it is. Thank you. I'll leave that there for a second. Scan that QR code. I think it's cool how that pops up there. It says somebody scanned a QR code. Doesn't say who. It just says somebody scanned it. Right? So, all right. Well, no, slow. The currencies do get slow in the afternoon. Everything's slow right now, so it really doesn't really matter, right? Everything's just kind of blah. But they're in a position they could be moving, right? That's what you're looking for. The opportunity to trade it. Do I really want to trade with low volume? No, absolutely not. I don't like watching paint dry. That's kind of what it is. Look at all these just jammed up here. Doing nothing. Doing nothing. This is 2 days in a row this time of the day. This stinks. Right? Come on. Get down there, break and hold down below that. Just do something. All right, I'll take that QR code off there. I don't see anybody else wanting to scan it at the moment, so we'll just leave it off there. If you want to back up any of these QR codes for any of the memberships, let me know, and I'll put them up there for you. Or you could go directly to our website, American Dream Trading. Click on the big old membership button, and you can go through it that way. Multiple ways to get to the same place. Now, can I go to the downside here? Yeah, sure, I could, right? That's on silver, but it didn't break and hold. I kind of got, I don't like that fill I just got there for some reason. I don't know what the deal is there. What the heck's my stop loss? Oh, way up there. Oh, 75 stop loss. Yeah, I don't want a 75 stop loss. That would be a lot of money. So we'll see if silver can break out here to the downside. Doesn't look like it wants to. I'll just chop over here. But we'll see. You never know. I should never enter this trade, but it's too late. I'm already in it. So we'll deal with what my mechanical error here. It costs me money. I'll just rip the Band-Aid off and we'll get out of the trade. Right? It's all you can do. Especially when you make a mistake. Just get out of it right away. Like, I shouldn't have done that. You know when you shouldn't have done it. Just get out right away. Now I'm already down a little bit, so we'll see what happens here. I can see a little, maybe get one more little pop here. I'll be at least, I might get a little bit of green out. If it does, I'll get out of it and figure out what I want to do here, if I'm that fortunate. Usually you're not. If you break the rules, you're usually not fortunate to get out clean. Definitely has to stay under that blue line, which is the 200 MA, and the white line right touching it is the 9 EMA. 200 is the 200 MA. Last 200 candles of whatever you're looking at, time frame wise. So this is a 1 minute chart, be the last 200 minutes. If I was on a 2 minute chart, be the last 400 minutes, right? So on and so forth. There we go. Get out of that trade while the getting was good, right? Bang, bang. Now I'm going to reevaluate. I really don't want to get in this till it breaks and holds below this level. And it's all kinds of choppy anyway. What's gold doing? Gold. Now, why is gold going up? Silver's going down. That don't make no sense. Come on. So anyway, I still want to see this break and hold up here before I even think about entry, which is about just above that wick there. I'm not ready for that one. Let's see what this does. What is this? Gold? Gold in them hills. Mm-mm. If I can get a break and hold up here or not. Oh, what is that? 111, 112 area. Not convinced yet. It's got to break up above these ones. It's just kind of him hauling around there. Comments, questions?
I'm on my way, Mark, to see the new Optimus robot.
Cool. Bringing one home with you?
Not far off, but in the near future for sure.
Cool. Take lots of pictures. We're jealous.
I'm excited. I'm relieved.
Is it just a show? Are they showing it off, actually doing stuff, or just
No, it's
standing there?
It's just standing there.
Oh, that ain't exciting. That's
it's the new one. It just came out.
I'd see if you can find a remote and get it to work. That's what I would do. I'm probably laying around there around the backside somewhere. I'd just go behind a case there and look for it.
Well, Elon's betting the whole company on this product more than the cars.
Yes, he is. Matter of fact, they're shutting down production lines to build them, aren't they? Not? Did I read it?
That's 100% correct.
I thought I read that somewhere. I want one. Oh, the wife won't let me hire a maid or a cook or somebody clean the house. She sure ain't gonna want no robot doing it. That's just creepy, right? Anyway, take lots of pictures. See if you can find a remote. There's probably a switch on the back of his head there you can flip to turn it on. So just saying. Just saying, you know, I've seen it in the movies. That's where it's at. And right there in the back, right there on the back, right on the back of their head. I'd go back here, make sure you take a picture so we can see where the switch is at. Probably won't be no security there, so I wouldn't worry about it. I'd just go ahead and do what you want while you're there. Nobody will be watching.
True story. Last time I was there a couple months ago, the employees that sell the vehicles inside the showroom, they were saying they're quite scared because the Optimus will be replacing their jobs, literally.
Good.
They're saying they're excited about it, but at the same time they're nervous. So it's kind of a.
Well, I wonder if they're going to teach. Are they going to teach the robots to lie? What's the price of this car?
He's probably one of the last honest companies. I used to sell cars.
What's the price of this car? I don't let me go. Ask my manager. Beep. Beep. I like it where I buy my cars at. There ain't none of gaming around. It's like, what's the price? You get one shot. I already know what the other prices are, so you get one shot. No games. I ain't going to the manager. We're not going to the manager. Yeah.
That new Toyota that just came out is pretty sexy.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, it's nice.
I just tell them, like, you get one shot. We ain't playing games. We're not going to the manager to see if he accepts my offer. If you're not authorized to make this deal, give me somebody that is, because we're going to do this in 10 minutes. You're either going to be happy or you're going to be sad. That's the two only possible outcomes of this interaction between us. And they're real good. So I don't even do that much anymore. I just go right to the guy who always buy the car off. He knows. We ain't playing games. What's the price? All right, let's go. Because I've already done my own research, right? I know what it costs.
But how is it that I literally just told Grok inside the Tesla, take me to the Tesla location, right?
Oh, is that where it's at, a Tesla dealership?
Yeah. Oh. It's gonna literally word for word swear. I'm not kidding. It's not even that. It's gonna literally drive me through this parking space I'm at right there in the coffee shop, and take me actually there, and then literally park contiguous to the shop, or either in the parking garage that looks like an airport parking garage, literally through the whole gate, and then find a parking space, a rear or front park, to go see a freaking robot. How
Cool.
crazy is that?
Cool. I want to
Maybe
see the
times.
robot move. I don't want to see it in a glass case.
It may be. I'll go check it out. It may be.
I'd see if you can bring it home. See if you can try it out. Get a demo.
Yeah.
Get a demo unit.
I'll take a picture in front of it for sure. I mean, for sure.
I would try to start it. I'm serious. If you're there, you might as well
You're
try.
starting it up. You just it's gonna come ready.
Okay. Well, I'm sure they got it. I'm sure they got it in standby mode somewhere. There's a switch right there in the back there. Right there.
True story. The actual the hands, the way that Tesla's making it, it's gonna articulate, be able to move like 27 steps of freedom, and it's literally gonna be. I'll put a link in the chat, but it's gonna be doing things like surgery better than a surgeon can do. Already, just now, the way it can, let's say, just remove a nut, flawlessly, quickly. It could pinpoint a thread through a needle. It's really, really amazing how fast it's happening.
You know how I remove a nut? I just go up here in the participants list, right click on their name and say, boot.
You're out, Matt.
Oh, come on. I didn't say anything about him. All right, there's $4,000. I'm tired of waiting. I took it. Bang, bang. Nope. Anyway. Comments, questions. What's going on over there on the YouTubes? There ain't nobody asking no questions today. Did I miss something? Or did I chase you all away? Because, oh, there's still quite a few people over there. There's a lot of people actually over there. What happened to my TikTok feed? What did I do with it? Did I close it? Where'd it go? Where is it at? Did I move it somewhere? Oh, it's right there. Duh. In front of my face, dummy. All right, let me crawl through this scroll up here. Anyway, I appreciate the slow start there, trying to figure out technical issues. Can I zoom the screen? I don't know. Can you get a bigger phone? Oh, yeah, that's, I don't know. I don't think so. I think that's as big as it goes. It's full screen. No, I can do this. Yes, I can do that. I'm learning how to use this thing. So there we go. There, that's as big as it gets. That ain't better for right now. You can hide me down here in the corner. How's that? See me? See me over there? Right there as I is. Right there. Let me see. How's that? Okay. Is that larger? Did that make any difference there? Abraham, whatever your name was, Adrian. I got it out of the way here. My cataract's in the road. All right. Try that. There we go. Habit Rahan. Is that any better? All right. Let's go. Gold. Yes, this is gold you see on my screen. It's currently at 51.10. Let's go. Bitcoin is my better investment. Well, you know what? I beg to differ. I've made a lot of money this morning, and I guarantee it was more money than what Bitcoin moved. That much I can assure you. Why? Well, now, if I trade Bitcoin futures, that's a different story. But just buying Bitcoin today, I come in here and trade futures. I could trade Bitcoin up. I could trade Bitcoin down. If you buy Bitcoin, can you make money when it goes down, or do you only make money when it goes up? Now you can trade Bitcoin crypto perpetuals, right? Up and down. But the actual physical, I know it's not physical, but the actual coin, right? Can only make money when it goes one way, because that's how it works. That's how we do it, right? So anyhow, does that help the screen there? Shot there, Abduran, however you say your name. Sorry to me to butcher your name. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, TikTok, can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can I hear me? Yeah, yep, I can hear me. Can you hear me now? I can hear you. I can hear me. There we go. Yep. All right. Sorry. There's just a thing up here that says the host muted your mic. That's just an old thing there. So, all right. So if you want that Diamond Lifetime membership, it's $5,000. Today we want to bless Maria, suffering from the devastation down there in the Carolinas. Your membership will help her out. A portion of that will go help her also. So that's 10% off the 5,000. That's $500 off. You get a Diamond Lifetime one-time paid membership, one-time pay, and never pay again. And you'll get $500 off. So what does that mean? You'll get it for $4,500 just because you watched today. So make sure you use promo code Maria to get 10% off of that. All right? Head on over there. Do it now. Scan it. Get your phone out. Point it. Click it. Click, 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 click. Let's get them memberships today. Clickety, click, click. Comments, questions. I will answer those. Anybody over there on YouTube's? Nobody's usually talking over there. They're usually pretty talkative. Not today. Maybe I need to refresh. Maybe my screen's froze. I don't know. Let me see. Let me refresh over here just to make sure there ain't something going on over there. Nope, nobody's talking. Come on. I would expect at least Cherub to be talking. Let's go. All right. There we go. Nick. Hey, good to see you. All right. Got a question for me? Fire it away there, buddy. Have at it. That's what we're here for. It's your show. Your questions make the show more interesting. If not, I just rant all day long. I never shut up. What's your question over there on YouTube? Jonathan's there. Okay. Just waiting for yes to drop. All right. Go short.
Hey Mark, I got a question about the coaches' indicators. Is this the appropriate place to ask it?
Yeah, it's the perfect place to ask it.
Perfect. I do not have the ability to access that. I've never accessed them before. I am a Diamond member, and so I just tried to access them for the first time today, and they don't seem to be where I think they should be.
Okay. Have you watched Bruno's video on how to add those?
Negative.
Pause would be a negative. If you go in our Discord, there's a whole video walks you through how to do that. Basically, you have to go claim them off of on WAP. You go to your WAP site. There's a place in there for the indicators. You got to click claim, and then that allows you to actually start using it. And then you'll get what you want to look for. Then after that, I'll just give you, if you see my screen here, you'll get this. It'll show up on invite only here. That's where those will show. And right here is where they're listed at. So you'll be able to click on each one of those, and it'll add it to your screen on Mac. It's not hard. You just got to go claim them first. But yeah, Bruno's actually got a how-to video there that you can go watch. It's on Discord on probably how-to section.
How-to. Excellent.
That would be a sound where I would think. Let me know if you can't find it.
Okay.
Yep. Try to make the most commonly answered questions in the videos. That way people can watch it. All right, so let me see. Next question. Webull paper trading. How come the futures stock option button sometimes doesn't show? And it just popped up while I'm sitting here. You must have fixed it. Well, you're welcome, Nick. Yeah, that's Webull's up in it. Well, on the Mac, it's in the top right-hand corner. You have to make sure the futures is selected actually twice. Make sure you don't have it on stock mode. If you don't have both of them, it says futures on your live account, right? It'll be in the upper. I don't have it opened up right now. Or I can show you. But in the top right-hand corner, they both must say futures. Now, that's on the Mac version. I don't know if the Windows is on the left side or not, those drop-down box. But it's in the top right-hand corner on at least on Windows version. So those both must say futures. If not, it will not let you load up the proper widgets and everything there, too. So generally, if you can't make a trade or something, it's because you don't have that on there. So, all right, well, I'm glad I could help you, even though it solved itself before I answered you. I reached through the interwebs to fix that for you. I just didn't want to tell you. That's all. All right, what else do we got? Still waiting. This is getting ridiculous, is it not? Right? Yeah. anyway, Bitcoin, buy and hold. That's the way to do it, right? Now, I can make more money, I believe, by trading it on a daily basis, up and or down. However you want to do that, through futures, or you can do it through crypto also. Crypto perpetuals, and you can trade it up and down. I can make money all day. I don't have to wait for it just to go up to make money, right? Make money when it goes up, get to make the money when it goes down, make money when it goes back up, make money when it goes down. I can get in there, scalp it for a couple minutes. I can do all kinds of things, right? Break and hold. You can do all the investment strategies with that. It's pretty cool. And I think that you would make more money in that in the long run. Is there anything I can't do? Well, there's a lot of things I can't do, like touch my toes. Ha! No. Well, I mean, yes, I could do computer stuff, but I was able to answer your question because I've been using it for going on 4 years now. So, I can answer a lot of those things just up here in my old noggin, just from experience, right? Experience is a good teacher, sometimes a painful teacher. But, all right, so let's make sure we get that promo code there, Diamond Lifetime, or any of our memberships as far as that goes. Use promo code Maria today and help her out there. There's the scan that Diamond Lifetime barcode, QR code. That'll take you right to that page. And all you have to do is put the word Maria inside the promo code when you go to trade it. You do the same thing with any of our memberships. There's the premium. That's our entry level membership. Of course, the diamond, it applies to all of them. So any membership you buy, just for being here today, if you use promo code Maria, M-A-R-I-A, at checkout, you'll see it instantly take off. Make sure now when you type it in, you got to click on the apply button because you want to make sure it takes it. So it should automatically drop from 5,000 to 4,500 once you apply code Maria to that code. All right. Yeah, I pay people to touch my toes for me. No, I can touch my toes. Matter of fact, I can still put my palms flat on the floor. As long as I'm already sitting on the floor. Ah! See? Am I witty? I tell you what, I just all over that. See how that worked? Wow. There we go. What's this one do? Oh, there we go. There, I'm back in the corner again. All right. By the way, anybody wants to join me over here, come on up. Well, you can join, turn your camera on, come on here and hang out. You can be a co-host with me. Here's your chance to go live. Be a co-host, right? Well, within reason. There's the different things. There's the premium. By the way, our prop firm, ADT, is the promo code there. Go to Tradeify and use promo code ADT. Or you can point your camera at your screen right now and scan that QR code. Do it now. If you miss the opportunity, you can always watch the replay of this. It's automatically posted for you over on our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading. And there's our free Discord. You need that also. Okay? You can scan that. You should be in our free Discord, nothing else. Don't cost anything. You can leave at any time, no strings attached. We've never charged for it, never will. You don't even have to give a credit card information to join. Just go over and join. Hang out and interact with other members of American Dream Trading. And you can discuss trades. You can ask questions. There's all kinds of stuff. There's even discounts over there for you that you can get even for free as a free member. And, of course, there's the diamond. I'll leave that up there for a few minutes anyway. Right? All right, so what do we got? We're going to get a breakout down here of the gold to the downside. Well, there's a break below the 200. I want to see the next candle, which is going to start here in about 20 seconds. So I'll be patiently waiting here. See if I want to do this to the downside or not. We'll hang out here for a minute. Well, actually another 12 seconds once this candle forms. See if we get anything. All right, there we go. See what it's going to do. Is this next candle, I want to see it start on the shoulder of the previous with oomph to the downside. I see a line of green there. That's not good. That's not an oomph to the downside. And we have a zero volume. There ain't enough volume here to trade this thing. It's not going to move. All right. Can I jump in this to the downside and hope it goes down? I can, but that wouldn't be too smart, especially in a low volume environment. All it takes is one person to come in there, throw a big order in there, and this thing goes the other way on me, right? You don't want to trade. I'm just taking my word for it. You don't want to trade this on low volume. Can you make money? Yeah. I just seen too many times I got my face ripped off because it wasn't trading much. And then all of a sudden somebody comes and throws an order in that goes, that's against me. Join the panel boomer. Ah, well, there is a little thingy for that somewhere. Ranking video, card, QR, let's see here. I'll find it. I know it's here somewhere. I've seen it. I just got to find a doohickey that does it. Hang on. We'll find it. Don't get excited. That ain't it. Nope. That's not the button I want. Let's see. It's in one of these. Oh, there's my chat right there. Okay. That's what I was looking for earlier. Captions. I don't want captions. Let's see. Not it. I know, doggone it, there's a button here somewhere. I see it somewhere. What's this do? It's here somewhere. I just got to find it. It's my first time using this full time. So don't get excited. We'll get it. We got it. We'll find it. There it is. I had a placeholder. There we go. Let's see where that does. Nope. Copy invite link. All right, let me put that in the chitty chat over here. Chit chat. And copy paste. And paste. Did that work that way? Oh, look at that. I swear I'm a genius. I don't know. I don't know. Just right there it is. Join over here or there. Right there's I granted your request. There you go. All right. Hang on here. Let me get rid of that. All right. There you go. Oh, look at the robot. Am I allowed to show that live? Look at that. I don't know if I can show that. Let me see if I drag that over there. Will I show that? Can you see this or not? Yeah, you can see it. Oh, I got to get it on the right screen first. Look at that. There's one of those. There's your new Tesla robot. There's your new person.
It's big, Mark.
Oh, I see that. I didn't know if I wanted to really show the next picture with you standing beside it, or somebody's standing. Somebody's standing.
Yeah, somebody is just.
Yeah, I don't know who that is. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Wonder how tall that guy is. 6 foot. Easy, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Ain't that sexy? I'm talking about the robot now. Come on. Look at that. I want mine in blue, though. They make it in blue? I don't know. They make it in blue?
I don't know yet.
Oh, come on. Where's the switch at? You can walk right up and touch that thing, huh? Wow. Somebody's going to knock that over for the end of the day. Do you find the switch?
It's the real deal. It's 100% it's basically everything. It just doesn't have the actual electronics inside of it.
Oh.
But it has all the actuators and all those things.
Wow. So you can't order it to kill somebody then, is what you're saying.
Oh.
You know, I can't do that, right? That's one of Isaac Asimov's 3 laws, right?
Could you imagine, I mean, even if you go back even, say, 3 years ago or 5 years ago, that this would become reality?
Yeah.
How it's crazy.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Make sure you put the pictures in the Discord if you want. You know, it's up to you.
That's what I'm here for.
All right. Cool. Oh, look, I'm in the gold. While I was talking to you, I made $17,000. Look at that. Oh, I think I could take that. That's better than sharp stick an eye any day. Look at that. Bang, bang. All right. Well, there's the live Zoom in the Restream chat for anybody who wants to join live over there, right? Let me see. Can I copy and paste that over in the Zoom chat? Does it work that way? Probably not. Oh, it might. I don't know. You could try it. See if it works. There's the Restream there in the live Zoom chat. It's also over there. Is that Coach's new assistant? Yeah. Yeah. No, he's hiring. He's buying a bunch of them, replacing everybody, me included. I'm getting old and rusty. He wants a new model in there. All right. So, I'll guarantee you he'll have one. Yep. Before it's over with, he'll have one. He'll probably have the first gen once they're released. Yeah, that's cool. Right out in the open like that too. That'll bring a bunch of people in there they don't want in there, won't it? Was that advertised, or you just happened to know it was there? That robot. He probably left already. I don't know. Yep, he disconnected. Not there. Oh no, he's there. There he is.
No,
There
they
he is.
have it out in public. They clearly are just trying to. It's literally in front of the window.
Yeah.
But the mindset of people, I just left the show. There's literally 2 cars in there. That's it. There's 2 Model Ys. They didn't even have a Model 3, and they have 1 Cybertruck out front. But that's it. And yeah, the pushing was heavy, so exciting.
Okay, now I got to just figure out how to let you in. That's the other thing here. Let's hear people. Invite guests. Okay, I don't say that. How do I let you in? I got to figure that out. I never done that before. Why don't I just let you come in? You should be here somewhere. Oh, right there. Oh, that's cool. There you are. All right. What's this little switch do? Oh, there we go. Does that make you in there now? Is that how that works? Oh, look at that. How come that thing don't make a noise and let me know you were there? Or did it and I just didn't hear it? Milk Money.
Hello.
Hello, Milk Money. Can you hear me? I can hear you.
I can, but I feel like I hear an echo, and I don't know if it's me.
Oh, it's probably coming through. Maybe you're hearing it through my speakers, or do you have your thing open?
I don't have mine open.
I'll turn mine down a little bit here. That way it doesn't, my external speakers.
Let me make sure.
Okay. I don't know why that's got sound on it. I need sound on that. Oop. That shuts that off.
Let's see if that helps.
Okay.
Nope, it was me.
Cool. Well, I feel honored to have Milk Money on the panel with me. I feel special.
You lucky duck.
I am. It's been a great day overall. It just got better. You know. What do you got to say? Anything? How'd your day go? Did you do all right?
I'm watching ES. It just bounced off the bottom of the regression channel on the 1 minute.
On ES?
Yep.
Okay. Won't break through though. I'm trying to wait for it to break through the other side on a 1 minute. You traded on a 1 minute?
Oh, not normally. I typically have it on the 2 minute. That just so happens to be the screen that was up when I hollered it out.
Oh, okay. No, that's all right. It's on a 2 minute. What does it look like there?
2 minute looks better in my opinion, but
yeah, it's a little more calming. Well, you got to pick one, whatever one you're going to make your trading decision on, right?
that's correct.
So I'll pick the upside on this one. How's that? I'll try to make a quick buck here. There's 375 I could have took right now, and I just chose not to. Watch that. Look at that. Let's go. Come on. Get up there. I'll take it. Come on. You want to get up there and break and hold above that. Volume's not that great. There's some volume, but what am I trading? ES. I want to see my L2. What's going on over here? See, there's 750. All right, 750, 750. Can I hear 850? Can I hear 850? How about 1,000? Can I hear 1,000? There we go. How about 1125? That'll work too. And I want to see this go up to 65, which is where it's at right now. 65. Come on, man. What do we got past 66? 67s now. All right. Get a little bit of oomph for the upside, getting a little excitement over there in the L2. Now move to the upside on ES 1 minute. This candle did not start on the shoulder of the previous candle. It's a sign of weakness, but doesn't mean it won't go up. We'll give it a second here, see what happens. If not, we'll lock in our profit. Where the heck's my stop loss at? Oh, clear down there. I'm like, geez. Oh, 75. I never adjusted it. All right. Anyway, so what I can do, I'll show you how to do this. Again, this is a simulated account, but I can also move my stop up to lock in profits. So I'm guaranteed 750. If this was knife drop, I'm going to get 750 out of that. And as this goes up, at least I'm protecting guaranteed agreed trade. I can click out and collect all 100% of it right here. Or as this moves up, I can slide it up. But you want to maintain the ATR space in there, which is currently about 10. It's not that much. Oh, here's the 200. That might pull back here. Well, let me slide that up real tight. If it breaks on through, fine. If not, I'm going to walk away with 48.75. If it pulls back, I stopped it because it's right there on the top of these candles. And I'm expecting a pullback and a bounce off of the 200. But if it doesn't, it keeps going, that'll be good too. I can lock into 6,000 right now instead of waiting on it to pull back. And it's probably the smarter move. That way I can re-enter if it does break and hold above, and I'll do that. And why I was talking about 5,600. I could have took it there. That would have been a smarter play. Get up to 200, take it. Then if it breaks and holds and goes to the upside, then I could also re-enter. Or I could have even played the retracement back to the downside, which I didn't do like a dummy. But anyway, you'll have that.
Big dummy.
Big dummy. Don't matter with you. So anyway, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Come on.
See, and I'm watching it from the opposite side where I don't typically take a counter trend trade. So I want to see this break and hold below the 9 again for me to do an entry.
Oh, come on. Can't no scared money don't make money. Come on.
Not scared money.
Scared
Nope.
money protects your money though, don't it? All right, here comes down to the 9. I'm going to play a bounce off the 9 if it wick touches that, which it looks like it might. I'm going to go counter trend, see if it goes to the upside. Clicked the button by mistake. I got too jumpy on my flexing my finger there, so I'm going to take whatever there goes. I'm just going to take that 375 because I didn't mean to enter that trade. If you screw up and you get green, take it. Take it. Don't wait. Don't what do they say about a gift horse? Don't whatever. I forget. Don't look a gift horse in the mouth. There you go. All right, this comes back down to the 9 again. It'll probably go down the other way this time if it does it twice, right? First bounce is always the good bounce. This one wants to go to 697, so I'm thinking it's wanting to go up here right now. By the looks of it, there's more power to the upside, so we'll see what's going to happen right here. I'm looking over here at my L2. That's why I did that. Wait for it. Come on, here it goes. Here it comes. Here it comes. I got a feeling. 96.7. Can I use take profit? Well, sure. I can go up here to 67, 68. All right, but why would I want to limit my upside? That's no good, right? I only want to limit my downside. Yeah, but they've already bounced off it twice, so this one ain't gonna be. It gets weaker every time. They get tired. Good job, Gopher, over there posting his profits over here in the Zoom chat. Good job, buddy. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Of course, you probably can't hear them sounds, can you?
See, I'm watching ES on the 2-minute. I guess I
Okay.
didn't realize you switched. You're on the other one. That's fine. It doesn't matter. So there's a pull that's happening and it's kind of flickering off the 9. Well, it's also 2:43 p.m. Central Time, so it's just about close for SPY. So we could see a pickup here in the next 7 minutes or so.
Yep.
Direction one way or the other. So it's a cautionary tale at the moment while we wait to see what it's going to do.
You take your cautionary tale. I'm putting money in the bank.
You go right ahead.
I am. I'm trying now. Well, I'm not right at the moment. I'm losing money, but as soon as this pops green again, if it just gets that little pop, 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 I'm getting out.
See, and this is why I don't like
realized
to take
I didn't realize
counter
what
trend
time it
trade.
was till you just said something.
Yep, counter trend trading. I like to do that higher probability trade.
Yep,
See,
I'm
on the
getting out of this
2-minute
one.
now, it's red. This candle is currently red, and so I want to see it break and hold below the 9 EMA.
Mm-hmm.
And while I'm waiting for it, I'm looking backwards. So we are sitting at the bottom of the gamma candle that was just a little while ago, around 244. So I'm watching that area. I want to see this candle that's currently germinating at this point.
Germinating.
Germinating.
I've never heard that term used before, but yeah, can we use that?
I mean, I don't know why not. We make up words for everything else.
Yeah, we got our own terminology. We got our own little secret code language.
And so I got 40 seconds left for this to make a decision, and I'm not in any hurry for it to do anything one way or the other, just because of the time that it is too.
Yep. There we go. Anybody hear this sound? Playing through my mic, that's why. All right. I'll figure it out. That'll drive me nuts until I figure that out. What the issue was. There's one little thingy.
So on the 2, look at it. It's the next candle formed and it's pulling still briefly, but it's not below the 9 EMA. So I'm still waiting cautiously. And so it's just a waiting game, and you have to be patient. You can't come in here and make a decision just purely on FOMO or having an itchy, what is it you call it? Booger
FOMO.
picker.
Keep your booger picker off the mouse.
Yeah, so you got to keep your booger picker off the mouse.
Right.
Oh, weird. I can see you. I didn't. Where do I guess I could turn mine on too.
I'm right here.
Okay.
You want to see me big screen? Is that what you said?
No,
Oh,
no,
you wanna
no.
See me big screen?
Well, I turned my camera
Too
on
late. Right
too.
there it is. Hi. Enough of that. I just learned how to use this. I still don't know how to use it 100%, but I got it pretty well figured out.
So still waiting. There's another minute left for this candle.
Did you turn your camera on purpose?
I did. Why not?
Huh?
I did.
Oh, okay. Just making sure because you didn't have it on to start with. Okay.
Yeah. When I pop in the aftermarket, I have it on typically.
Yeah. This is Restream by itself. Now we use it the other way. We use OBS and then also the OBS feeds it through Restream and feeds it out to Facebook and blah blah blah, all these things, but doesn't feed to TikTok. This here does it both ways, so it's all one thing. It's pretty good. All right. So anyway, it's easier for me to. I'm going to start doing this all the time. I think just nicer once I figure out how to get the audio from Zoom users. So in there, just a short, easy thing to fix. I just don't know what it is yet. All right. What else we got going on? Questions. Oh, well, where's the little chat thing? I can remember to keep that up there. There we go. So.
What does the L2 say on ES? We're getting close to that 10-minute marker.
Yeah, you got a big order up at 98.68 and 67 and 60, almost 69. So they want to pull it up. There's big orders up there to pull it to the upside. That don't mean it was. You shouldn't enter trades just because of something you see on the L2 that you hope it might do. I said I wasn't going to do that no more. Remember, I journaled that, so I'd quit doing that. Guess what I just did? I wanted to do it just to show off. How's that? There's orders at 69. Big orders, 69, 69 and a quarter, 69 and a half. And we are at 67, trying to push up to 68. What the heck? That's only 15 ticks. What's the movement on this? Well, that ain't too bad. Pretty tight, but
13.
Yeah, I don't want it that tight, but that'll be all right. I get stopped out. Big deal.
Oh, like for a new trader, it being this close to VWAP is not safe.
Nope. Never enter a trade on VWAP ever. But I could take profit at VWAP. That's what my intention was. Bang bang. I just did that. We got VWAP and a 200 there. I would expect a big reject off there. However, if it don't, I will re-enter. I just locked in that whatever that said, 1125. So we'll see what happens if this breaks and holds above this, which would be up here about my gold level, which would be even better than 2 candles, so that I can get in from here up. But it is power hour. Now we're getting the 10 minutes before the 4 o'clock session hits, and this is where volatility can go crazy. It can shoot to the moon, and it can pull back all in the same candle. Oh, look at the sellers coming in here. Look at this. What's a 1 minute look like? I don't know if I could stand this on 2 minutes. Come on. 2 minutes is all right.
Is it any better?
No, it's all right. I normally scalp on the 1, but sometimes I will do the 2 on purpose.
See, that's why I don't like to get into a counter trade, trend trade, because of this particular candle right here. Even with it being the time that it is, it can backfire on you very quickly.
Yep. Come on.
So I actually wanted to break and hold where it's at currently. So the next candle, although it might keep going.
Yeah, the orders are all pretty much the same size right now. It's kind of tough to see. Yeah, you could see my full screen as a host there, right?
Yeah.
There's the L2 over here, top corner over there.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take that 375. Bang, bang. Oh, getting in down some tough area down here. Support.
Yeah, there's definitely some major levels down here.
It's all right. We'll jump in and we'll just snag. If it goes green at all, we'll just snag it. How's that? I'm on. There's 375. Oh, I didn't hit the button fast enough. 375. Bang, bang. There you go. Let's do that again. There we go. What do we got? Back down here. Come on. You can do it. Not green. Come on. Back the other way. Back down there. You know you want to. It's 8 minutes left. You ain't going to change directions now all of a sudden. Let's go. Come on. Go down there. If you don't, I'm going to reverse it. Go the other way. All right, you going to come down or not? Are you going to just be trapped here between the 9 and this level that you don't want to go through? The
There was
level.
some hesitation. Did you see that?
What's that?
There was hesitation.
Yeah. Yeah, it just doesn't like it wants to go there. But it don't want to go above the 9 and the 21 either. It's all right. We're going to play it that way. Here we go. Bang, bang. Come on. Get up there. 750, 1500, 1500, 1500. Pause there for a minute. I'll take that. I'm going to wait for it to actually move up here a little bit more above the 55 because it's the candle spiked off of that. I want to wait till it gets up there to the 200. I don't think this is one I'm going to want to break through here for some reason. I just got a feeling. I got a feeling. There we go. That's Red Hots. Sing that. Is that what that's from? Red Hot? I don't know. I'm not hip. I don't care for them anyway, but you know.
I'm not hip.
I'm not hip. Too square. I'm too hip to be legit or whatever that is. What's that song? Huh?
Isn't it square?
Too hip to be square?
I'm Googling
Or is
it.
that I'm too square to be hip? Which is it? Come on. Go ahead. Bounce off of that. Come on. You don't want to go up. I know you don't even want to go through that mess. Just go back down and get it over with. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. There we go. I'll take that 750 or I actually turned to 1100.
It's hip to be square.
Now it's trapped. That's too tight in there. Now it's going to ping pong back and forth off the 9 and the 200. I'm done. I'm done. What are we going to do here? We have 5.5 minutes left for the market open. By the way, we are live here 3 times a day. Coach is live from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday. I'm live with the Futures Education and Trading broadcast from 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday. And Don, who is on vacation this week, has the Aftermarket Show on Mondays and Thursdays at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Upon conclusion of this broadcast and ending all of our live broadcasts, they are immediately posted over at the conclusion of the broadcast. Are immediately posted over on our YouTube channel, appropriately named. Guess what? American Dream Trading. Over there, you'll also find over 3,200 training videos that you can watch at your leisure, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's the largest collection of trading videos on trading and trading psychology and so forth in the known universe, known galaxy. Well, actually, the universe is bigger, right? No, universe, yeah, that's whatever one's bigger. We got them all, 3,200 of them right now. And new ones are added weekly, if not daily. I don't know how to pay attention to how many they add every day, but I just giving you a round figure of 3,200, right? Don't want to get this to the downside or not. I don't know. We'll play. Let's see if we can snag a couple bucks. There's 375. The downside. Come on. Go ahead and just sell off. We got 4 minutes left in the market. Watch this thing just go crazy. It can go back, shoot to the moon just as fast, right? 375. Come on. Where are we at? We're not even down near the previous day lows yet. Come on, get down there. That's way down there. All right. So what are you going to do? You're going to play here? Again, I I do thank you for being here today. My name is Mark McSee, one of the many trading moderators here at American Dream Trading, keeping this monster corporation running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Do not be afraid to go over there and grab those, our Discord. I'll get your cameras out. Let me show you. Here it comes. You can scan it with your phone. Scan that QR code right there. Free Discord. Join today. Oh, there I am up $1,125. I'll lock in that $1,500. Scan that code right now. There you go. It also is over there. The direct links are also in our YouTube. Here is our Diamond membership. Just by watching today, if you use code Maria at checkout, you'll get 10% off the $5,000 Diamond lifetime membership. It's one-time pay, be done. So it's actually going to save you $500. Who doesn't like a free $500? So you can get that for $4,500 right now. And you can also get our base entry level throwback sale on our premium membership for $500 a year, or you can get it for 2 years for $750. Simply by scanning that code, going in there, filling it out. Make sure you use promo code Maria today. MARIA. Right there it is. I'll leave that up there until we sign off. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for your questions. Thank you for hanging out even after, even when we were playing around with the, trying to get the audio and all that stuff working. I appreciate your patience while old Boomer here was trying to figure something out. You know what I mean? So I appreciate you still hanging out with us. Other than that, I thank you for your questions. Your questions make this show more interesting. Hey, Shane, what's going on over there, buddy? So I'm glad you all could be here. Thank you very much. And let me see here. Wait, I want to refresh this here real quick. There we go. What's up? Not much. So I do thank y'all for being here. And we are here same time every day. And make sure anybody that you come in contact with between now and the next time we meet, that you leave lasting positive impressions. And we will see you same time, same bat channel. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to play a song that was written by one of our members, and Ken Mainfield. He's got quite the talent. He wrote the song, produced the song, and Dawn created the video to go with it, because she's equally talented. So we'll play this on an outgoing here thing. I will see you same time, same bat channel tomorrow. See ya.
I was stuck in the cycle, just spinning my wheels, chasing time, losing sleep, forgetting how to feel. Dreams collecting dust on a shelf in my mind, till I found a spark, a way to realign. Not just numbers, charts, or lines on a screen. It was a mirror that showed who I could be. American dream training, you opened the door, gave me the tools, now I'm asking for more. No more waiting for life to decide. You gave me the pen so I could rewrite. From fear to focus, from doubt to drive, I found my strength, now I'm seed. Now I grow with every rise and fall, standing tall, no dreams too small. American dream being traded, you show me the way, turn my dark into light, my night into day. Now I'm writing my future in my own hand, with purpose, with power, with a brand new plan. From stuck to soaring, from fear to flight, you help me rewrite my life. Yeah, I'm trading more than stocks, I'm trading pain for pride. Thanks to the dream, now rewrite my life.